I know I look like a turd right now, but please just ignore it because it's very late at night and I'm very tired, so yeah. This video shout out goes to Pumpkin Spice Dollars for commenting, so I'm just here in my PJs looking like a toad on my last post. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today we are going to be finding out if my mom or my dad knows me better. So I put together this little quiz with 10 questions in it, asking my parents. Basically, they're just questions about me, they're multiple choice, and yeah, just watch till the end to find out which parent knows me better, and yeah, without further ado, let's just go. Okay, before you start wondering, where is the calling Walmart with prank questions video? Well, let's just say I called Walmarts across the entire country of America and waited on the line for like 5 minutes. None of them would answer. And I don't know if it has something to do with like my number. Did they block my number from all Walmarts? I don't know. But like, they wouldn't answer. I'm very, very sorry, and it didn't work out. I'm on a very tight time limit, so please cut me some cheese. Cut me some slack. Sorry, don't put me no cheese. Thank you. So sorry about that. But hopefully, the calling Walmart with prank questions will come out. I might like have to do a different store because Walmarts will not answer. Like they won't answer. Like what? Okay, guys. So I have the quiz set up here, and yeah, let me go get my mom so she can take the quiz. Okay, so your name is in there, so you get started.
Okay, I put my name in. Push this.
What's your name? Dad?
Dad.
Yep. Okay, good. Started.
Did you record that yet, or?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is my favorite smell?
What is your favorite smell? It is homemade rolls.
We'll see. Alright. What is my favorite smell? Homemade broccoli rice.
Daisies or homemade rolls? I'm gonna say homemade rolls.
Okay.
Alright. What now?
Just click it.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is Naomi's favorite chain restaurant? Carrabba's, Chipotle, or McDonald's? I think it's McDonald's.
What is Naomi's favorite chain restaurant? Chipotle, McDonald's, or Carrabba's?
Wow. Noodles should be on here.
Oh, it's not on there.
Because you're a pasta girl. But I think you like McDonald's.
I know Chipotle's right up there too, but
What is a weird pet peeve I have? Hint, it is often triggered at dinner tables.
first one.
Yeah.
Silver scraping on plates.
Yeah, I actually went there too. What is a weird
Hey, I can't see that bottom one there.
What is a weird pet peeve I have? Hint, it often is triggered at the dinner table.
Okay. People crumpling their napkins? I think you probably like that.
Getting food on my clothes. Bad breath.
Silver scraping on plate. Oh, that one.
Is my free time
In my
free time, what would I do?
annoy somebody, make a craft for no reason, play video games, polish my nails, work on a video.
Well,
Mom's just like, number one, annoy somebody.
probably this. That or work on video or craft, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's gotta be, it could be either of those. It could be both of those. I'll pick video.
Oh, you're always polishing your nails. But I think it's that.
Okay.
What's your favorite sport? Oh, that you participate in?
No, just read them all. Just what my favorite sport.
Sports? Girl, what? Probably that one.
Yeah.
Swimming, soccer.
Sports? Girl, what?
Football. I know you like soccer, but you haven't like played it with a team.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go for swimming. What do I hope to go to college for? Oh, that's an easy one. Filmmaking, graphic design, photography, marine biology.
What do I hope to go to college for?
Filmmaking.
Yeah, I mean,
What's my fave show I watched as a younger human?
What's my favorite show I watched as a younger human?
Lazy Town, The Chica Show, Noodle and Doodle, VeggieTales, and
I know you watched The Lazy Town. I'm not sure about these two. VeggieTales, I know you like a lot.
yeah.
I picked that.
VeggieTales. I think.
What do I do when I'm nervous or having an inside panic attack? You.
Wipes tear, smiles through the tears.
Licks lips, bites nails. Have trouble breathing? Oh my gosh. A.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know that. I don't notice that you ever do that.
Oh.
You bite your nails off. You don't bite your nails off. You have trouble breathing? I think it's just this one.
Oh.
Oops. Oh well, too bad. It's just this one. Oops.
Naomi has never
Blank.
eaten leather. I hope you haven't. Drank straight from the juice bottle. Painted with fingers. Swallowed gum.
So which one have I not ever done?
I hope it's this one.
No.
I don't think you've ever swallowed gum either.
I mean, I don't know.
I say A.
Don't know what happened there. We'll see what the results of that is.
Favorite celebrity.
Oh.
Wait, okay, read this one. Read that one. Read that one. Read that out loud.
Harry Styles.
No.
Huh?
Read the second one.
Camila Cabello.
Ha! No, you said it wrong. Camila or Camilla Cabello.
Oh,
Actually,
Cabello,
maybe
yeah.
it's wrong. I don't know. Maybe I said that wrong.
So it's Camila
Cabello.
Cabello.
Yes.
Bob Marley.
I think it's this one.
Bob Marley.
Salem Elise. Harry Styles.
Ariana, of course.
There's your score.
7 out of 10. Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah. 7 out of 10. Yo! You tied with Mom! Mom!
Did I get different ones wrong?
Yeah. Mom, how do you feel being tied with Dad?
I don't know. I thought I might do pretty good, and I guess 7 is good.
Yeah.
But I wasn't sure how Dad would do.
Yeah. I did that same type of quiz with my friends one time, and like, no one knows me. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I actually really did hope you enjoyed this video because I was on such a short time for this video this week because that Walmart thing totally failed. Very, very sorry about that. I was having like a mental breakdown about that earlier. But yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below the hidden message if you found it. And also, let me know if you think I should do like another video similar to this, like which sibling knows AG better or something. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.